So guys, in this part we are going to work on our attacking. So for doing that, we need first to make a new trigger, and I'm going to call it attack. Now let's go inside of our attack animations. Here at the top I have attack 1, attack 2 and attack 3. So I'm going to bring them inside of our animator. So now we want a transition from the idle to attack 1 and also back from the attack 1 to idle. And just from the attack 2 make a transition to idle. Same for attack 3. But this time from attack 1 make a transition to attack 2, and from attack 2 make a transition to attack 3. And here we want to just give an attack. As long as attack trigger is active, we won't just move to the next attacker. So here we don't want full exit time. That means here we have 72% of our attack. So we want to go to the second before we are going to reach to exit time. Here we can make it around 70, and this one I'm going to change it to 65 before the attack is going to finish and going back to idle. So we want to go to the next attacker animation. So and then here also when the attack is active, we want to go to the attack, but we don't want any delay or any exit time. So here we are going to remove the exit time and no transition duration. So immediately going to attack animation. So now let's go inside of our variable player and inside of our script. And here I'm going just to copy that, paste it again. Instead of left shift, I'm going to use the input dot get mouse button. And because when we push the mouse button down and the number is, when it's 0 is the left mouse button, when it's 1 is the right mouse button. But for attack we are going to use the left mouse button. So here we can remove there, we don't need this part, and also here anim.set trigger attacker. So now let's save it and test it. Let's play. As you see, we are doing 1 and 2 times or 3 times. We are going to a more attacker. So I'm going now to show you inside of our animator. Here we are going idle, and when this trigger, attack trigger is going to get active, then we are going to make the attack the first attack. But when we are doing the second or third, then we are going to do the combo like that. So now nice. Now our attack is also work fine. Now, even if you want, we can also do it when you are going to work, because right now, when you are walking, when you are running, we cannot go to this animation, because here we don't have a connection between the one and attack one. That's why we cannot go into the attack animation. But if you want also during the running, going to animation, here I'm going to remove the exit time, and transition duration also will be 0. And here we are going to make an attack trigger. So now even when we are going to walk, we can attack. So nice. So, and before we are going to finish the video, to be sure that always is the first one has the exit time of uh, for example, when it's 7, no, it's 7, this one should be less than that one, because now if I'm going to, for example, 75, then we are not going to the third animation, because then we are going to back to idle. You see, we are not going to back to third animation, to third attack animation. And even when, for example, here is 8, and I'm going to make this one to be 1, you will see that we are not going to attack 2. We are just going to have 1 attacker. That's why you need to make, for example, if this one is 0.88, so the next one will be, we can put it at 0.8, or here it's 7, here at 7. Always be less than the other one. See, still doesn't work. It doesn't go into the second one, because here we have here extra, we need to make it smaller. So I'm put it at 72, 88, 72, and 65. So as you see now, it's going to RTV animations. So later we can also activate the collider. So this time we are going to the animation. Inside of the animation, we can activate the attack hitbox collider to attack the enemy and do a damage to enemy. But which we are going to do that when we are going to work on the enemy players. So see you now in the next video.